In this video I am showing you how you can create and use cameos on a Snapchat. So firstly what you need to do is you have to open any of the chats in the Snapchat, and then you can go to the emoji section. In the emoji section, in the most bottom, you can see the heads with the plus icon. So simply tap on this head with the plus icon in the middle, and here you can see all the cameos. So here you can find uh, you can choose any of the cameo selfie that you want to record with, you can add with. So simply click on any of the cameos, and after that selecting the cameo, you can center your face. So let's see, I am centering my face. After that you can simply tap on the create my cameo, then you can choose outfit and then click on the continue, and after that it is creating my cameo. So wait until it create. So it will take some times, so you have to wait. So after the cameos is created, then it is saying that the cameos can feature friends, so you can read all this, then tap on the OK. And now here what you can do is you can so when you go to your when you again tap on your emoji, and then when you go to the time, then here you can see it is creating it has created the cameos with my face. So this is all the cameos you can see here, the with my face. So you can use any of the cameos to simply, you have to simply long hold any of the cameos, and then you can save to camera roll, or you can simply export it by tapping on the export button. And now it is exporting. So you can share your cameo with any person that you want. You can also share the cameo with your friend by tapping on any of the cameo, and then you can send it with your friends. So here you can see it is sended to this person. So that's it, at how you can use and create cameos on a Snapchat. You have to simply go to your emojis, and then you can simply tap on this plus icon with the heads. You can simply open any of the selfie, and then you can take your selfie. You can take your selfie with your face, then you can simply tap on the create, and then it has created this cameo. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notifications of such new informative video. And also don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Have a good day.